Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you really interesting information that how to remove this Torx bolt away from engine block. And there is really now bolt, and now I need this Torx bolt. This is size I8, this type, and this is really Torx bolt, and it fits in this central area in that way. Very nice. And then I take my impact driver in here. Okay. And now this my bolt cuts. But this was this idea that how we might have to take out these bolts, but now there happens that this bolt is inside in this my socket. Okay, sorry for that thing, but sometimes it happens that parts goes broken, and there is of course now to another option to take that out, that I will do in here some corners, and then I can remove that bolt, but it takes time. Okay, thank you my friend. Okay, and then I found second Torx bolt what I can remove this engine block, and now this is a little bit bigger one, and now I am using this Torx socket what size is I10, and it fits in here in that way. And then I use my wrench, and let's look at what happens when I open that. Okay, good. And now this bolt opens, and finally I managed to show you that how to take out this Torx bolt in engine block. And there we can see nicely that thing, and this means that we can replace this bolt and take out if they are bad. Okay, excellent. That kind of information my friend, and see you in next movie.